Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a fall house tour, just showing you my fall decorations. This is the wreath on the front door. When you walk in to the left, we have this console table. I've talked about this in a previous video, but we still have to refinish this table. But for now, this is what it looks like. I just added this lamp here. This way when it's dark or gloomy, I like that feel of having a lamp on, a candle lit makes it homey and cozy. So in the middle, I have this sign that says thankful, grateful, blessed. To the right, just the lamp and this candle. It is not a fall candle, but it is from Target and it smells amazing. It is this pineapple splash candle. It smells really good. I do have a couple fall candles that I need to put out. Here on the left, I have this burlap pumpkin and a couple eucalyptus leaves in this vase, and then behind it is a diffuser. And then on the second shelf, I just put a couple pumpkins, and then we have our shoes. Over here on the other side, again, it's very simple. I stuck to more white and neutral colors. I just have this vase on the table with some eucalyptus as well, and these two little pumpkins I got from the Target dollar spot, which were $1 each. Over here underneath the table, I have my magazines, a few candles, a remote, and this pumpkin I got from Hobby Lobby. It is actually very heavy, but it's really cute. Moving on over here to the fireplace, I got this wreath, I believe, from Marshall's. I think it was $35. I could be wrong, I don't remember exactly. But again, it's just a green eucalyptus wreath. And then on top of the mantle, I added this sign and all things give thanks, and then this faux little greenery. Over here, I got these pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. I did end up painting them white and gold. And then again, some more faux greenery. And same thing on the other side. Down here, I didn't put too much. I just have some eucalyptus and pumpkins over here on the left. And again, that little pumpkin is from Target dollar spot, and the other one, I believe I got from Michael's. It's very light, it's like a styrofoam pumpkin. On this side, I just have some flowers in a vase, and this big white pumpkin, I believe I got from Home Goods. And the little one, I think, was Home Goods as well. I just kept it very simple. I might add a couple more pumpkins and kind of rearrange it, but for now, that's what I have. Moving on to the dining room, I just have this vase with some flowers in it, and then these pink pumpkins. They're really, really cute. I got these from TJ Maxx for $7.99. So I just have one on each side of the table. That is pretty much it. I didn't do too much this year. Again, like I said, I might add a couple things or rearrange it a little bit, but this is what I have for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all next time.